Hello, and welcome to Professor G's Math Classroom. Today, we are factoring trinomials where that lead coefficient is 1, and I call these easy trinomials. We're going to factor x squared plus 4x minus 12. Anytime you factor, you always want to make sure to check to see if there's a greatest common factor. And for our trinomial, there isn't. I call this an easy trinomial because the lead coefficient is 1. Also, we want to pay attention to the signs. When I look at our trinomial, the last term is minus 12. When we have that minus 12, that subtraction, we know that our factors are going to have different signs. The middle term is plus 4x. Since we have a plus, we know that they must sum to a positive 4. So looking at our trinomial, I'm looking again at the minus 12. And you're going to ask yourself, what times what gives me minus 12, meaning 1 will be plus, 1 will be minus, and they must sum to a positive 4. Well, for minus 12, we have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. Don't forget, we're going to have different signs. Okay, let's begin our factoring. Let's put our parentheses up. What times what gives us x squared? We know that's x times x. Going to the last term, which is minus 12, we need a pair of terms that will multiply to negative 12. So we know 1 is going to be plus, 1 is going to be minus. At the same time, it must sum to positive 4. So we're going to use the factors of 2 and 6. So I'm going to put them in, but we know that they must be different signs. So which one is going to be plus and which one's going to be minus? When I look at my middle term, it must sum to a positive 4. So I'm going to give my largest factor the plus 6, and the other one will be minus 2. So the factors of our trinomial will be x plus 6 times x minus 2. Remember, you can always multiply to see if you get back to our trinomial. So now, you give it a try.